So this is the screen you're talking about, right?
Yes.
So which checkbox you're talking about?
I'm talking
Special stock?
about
This one?
special stock indicator.
Okay.
Yes, this one. What is the consignment stock?
Oh,
We took we
see, when you see any manufacturing company, suppose let us see this Wipro computers, what they manufacture,
oh,
which is assembled in India,
okay.
like HCL computers. So what they will have an assembly company, but there will be certain vendors who will be supplying them RAMs, who will be supplying them the processors. So there'll be a lot of guys, right, in that particular, even in a car manufacturing company,
Yes.
right?
Yes, right.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
You listening?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So in that case, in a particular manufacturing place, there will be a stock, there will be a place like where this vendor will be putting his stock. But that is
Okay.
not, that's a special stock, that is not sold directly. You don't need to pay for it.
Okay.
And the consignment as you use, that means whenever you buy a consignment, that means you from there you are withdrawing. There are that means there are 10,000 rands in that store. So you are for your present manufacturing you are withdrawing 4,000. So what will be the remaining left out consignment?
Remaining 6,000 will be the consignment.
6,000. So this 6,000, this 4,000, what this vendor will do is that for him the minimum stock level, the special stock is 10,000. There is a process called consignment fill up.
Okay.
So this is also a document. You have to do a consignment fill up from your end. At suppose
Okay.
you yourself has implemented SAP. Your company is having this manufacturing of brands. So this is considered as a see what he says is it is the ownership. You can see the stock of material that must be managed separately for the reasons of ownership, or
Ownership or
the
location.
site owner or the factory owner is different, but the consignment owner is different. So
Okay.
this is a special stock,
Okay.
right? So in that case,
And one more was
in
okay.
this case, in this case, if you can see this vendor consignment, the K consignment vendor.
Yeah, yeah.
In that case, we use it. So in that, let me finish this. It's not over. You take this. In case of special stock, we generally use this. Like this
Okay.
CAN, KBN, KEN. So issue, fill up, or pick up. Done.
Yes.
Yes.
See this?
Yeah.
W.
Consignment first.
Right?
Yeah.
In the case of issue, you'll find it. In the IDS, they follow this. In fill up, you don't need. Okay? Because fill up is coming from the vendor location. So that's the reason you don't need to maintain that
Yeah.
stock with you.
Ah.
Got the point?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Fill up is not having billing also.
Okay, for example, here are 10,000 pieces of RAM, and the customer we have is the consignment. The stock available is 10,000, and I need only 1,000 rupees. So I will be billed only for these 1,000 pieces.
1000.
Okay.
Because the rest of the things are not they don't belong to you.
Okay.
You take this document types used in CP, CI and CF. In case of consignment, these are document types. The sales order document types.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see this. In this case, it is intercompany billing.
Company billing.
There are two companies. Vendor is one company and the receiver is one company.
Yes.
And CI belongs to
Order.
order. You remember this.
Yes.
Yes. ABC.
If you can see the fill up also. So did you create any consignment related, because as I wanted all of you guys to create some document types, and that means आप स्टैंडर्ड सी कॉपी करके नए करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है, जो स्टैंडर्ड में है वो आप क्रिएट किए हो. शशांक, are you there? Have you created any consignment transactions documents? आप लोग ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो I cannot help, because
No,
but only
actually, that day you told us first go to every field, do F1 there, and so I was following that process.
इस बार अभी VA01 में जाके क्लिक करके देखो ना. VA01 में जाके आप क्रिएट करके देखो एक बार.
Okay.
Okay.
अभी VA0 में से I'll tell you, अब जितने भी all the students who are learning across the globe, I'm talking about, because I see people from almost all 40 countries. So what they generally do is, just a minute. What they generally do is they simply do VA quotation order, maximum maybe a promotion order. That's it. After that, they don't know this. What is this consignment order is all about? I want you guys to do that actually. Shashank, are you there? Hello? Shashank? Is Shashank online?
No, he's offline. And what is the difference between order related billing and delivery related billing?
Delivery related billing is referred to a delivery status.
Okay, from order also. Can you give an example of order related billing?
Order related, see, if somebody orders you, that means I'll give you the difference between a contract and an agreement. If you signed a contract
Yeah.
at so and so date, if you buy this much volume, I'm going to give you this much discount. That means in that case, you have to create an order.
Yes.
You go back to the diagram which I've discussed. Can you open task D1? Go to page number 172. उसका आंसर है
Display is
उसमें.
not working.
Hello?
Display is not working, Ravi.
You don't have task D document?
Yeah, we have.
Ah. Can you open that? You'll find the
I
answer.
opened it.
No, I'm not displaying right now.
That order.
I'm talking.
Contract order.
No, आप display करो. That's what Yusuf. I want you to open that.
Yeah.
Before coming to the class itself, I want you to be prepared. The initial discussion, I have already done that.
Yes.
Did you open page number 172?
Yes.
What do you have there?
The different sales process, pre-sale, sales order, shipping,
In
billing.
that, can you see how the contract is being
Con-
operated?
Yeah, the contract is related to order.
Uh-huh.
Then we have delivery.
Mm-hmm.
So it is in the pre-sales part contract.
So what is the difference between both of them?
The contract first we will make an order, and for agreement there will be direct delivery is there.
Yeah. So got the answer?
Okay. Okay.
सो आप डिलीवरी रिलेटेड बिलिंग तभी करोगे आपको डिलीवरी रेफर करना जरूरी पड़े मतलब.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah.
So in some cases they will only refer to delivery directly because already the agreement is there.
Okay. And in general control, there was automatic batch determination, rounding permit. Do we have to remember these things also?
No, I did not get you.
In general control in item category, there is a tab general control. In that we have automatic batch determination. We have to remember these things also.
No need. Those tabs you don't need to remember.
And actually, that day I call.
So did you create any item category? Only have seen.
No, I have created one in office that day. But I didn't find tag here, TAK. The one
Here it
you
is.
wrote that.
Copy as. You can simply copy.
Here it is, but in that server I didn't.
Okay.
I know.
Simply you can create a copy as. I'll tell you, see, if you understand the logic, creating is always easy. That's what I always tell people.
That's why. Okay.
Most of the people only do the creation, they don't do the analysis. तो उसमें कोई फायदा नहीं है.
जी.
So what are the schedule lines you have studied, both of you?
Schedule lines we didn't. Schedule lines we didn't started as a.
No, I said item categories, document types, schedule line categories. So how does schedule line work? Any idea?
This item category
Item categories? You guys are not studying. So go to this, you can see this, assign item categories. Suppose, go to, have you created any new document type quotation?
I had this.
Suppose if you can see this, any QT related, let me open a new session, go to, so what is the transaction code for quotation? Viewing a quotation, VA 11, 21, 20, 31, what it is? Don't remember.
20.
No, you have to be very quick, both of you. 21. F4. There are no quotations. By payment card, by customer. So where can we see an item category? Can you guide me? Can you guide me where I can see an item category?
It will be here only in item level.
Here it
This
is,
the
right?
item level.
Now,
Yes.
item
I want ZAG7, a new customized item category which I have done. So what should I do? Can you bring a new customized item category into this screen? Try it. Let me see how you'll do. How much you understood, I'll come to know. Shashank, can you hear me? Start. Yusuf. Adnan. I want ZAG7 there. It's a small runtime assignment. Let's see how quickly this will do. Because I want to see your system speed. Shashank, can you hear me? I think he's in the office and he's on mute. Start. I want a quotation to be created with ZAG7. I don't want AGN there. Fast.